Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to access the Google Chrome Web Store on our Chrome web browser. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to open up Chrome and click on this three dot icon and select the extension and select visit Chrome Web Store, and that will launch the Chrome Web Store guys. You can search for what you're looking at, or you can also see the recommended one. In my case, I'm gonna select for example speed test. So if you want to add this extension, click on this add to Chrome and select this add extension, and that extension has been added guys. Now if you want to access this extension, you just need to click on this puzzle icon and click on the speed test. You can access the extension like this. And that's how it's work. Download speed and upload speed and ping, got it guys. And you can add so much extension, there will be listed over here guys. You can easily access it, or you can also select the manage extension option and you can turn off specific extension by clicking on this option, or you can also remove an extension by clicking on remove option. And that's all you have to do it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.